In this video, we're going to be looking at exactly how you can begin using Canva like a pro. So we'll be looking at 4 concrete tips that you could start applying today to increase your mastery of one of my favorite programs, Canva. The goal of today's video is to show you how to improve your content creation process by streamlining your use of Canva. So we'll be taking a look at why you should consider investing in the pro version of Canva. We'll be looking at the mood boards feature. We'll be looking at letter frames, and then we'll also be looking at how easy it is to copy a design and use that to create a new design. First of all, why Canva? So Canva is probably my favorite content creation tool because it's extremely versatile. It's really easy to use. It's all drag and drop, and you can do almost everything with the free version. Like any software or any tool, it does take a little bit of trial and error to figure it out, but once you've sort of spent a bit of time in there, Canva is very, very easy. The free version of Canva is great, and I definitely recommend that people start out with the free version, but if you find yourself using Canva all the time, and I pretty much guarantee you will, it can be worth it to consider upgrading to the pro plan. You get access to a lot more templates, a lot more images and videos, and you also get the option to use the Canva's brand kit. So you can upload your own fonts, your designs, you can set your brand colors. And so that's just one quick way that really streamlines your content creation. You're not having to individually input your brand colors every single time you make a new template, for example. Here are some examples of some social media templates on Canva. If you have not browsed their template collections, whether you're trying to make a greeting card or something for a Facebook post, Canva has an amazing number of templates. But you'll notice here, any templates that have that little crown are only available to the Canva Pro members. So if you were a free member, you can definitely use this first template there. But for these other ones, you would need the Pro account. So if you're using Canva on a regular basis, like I said, it can make sense to upgrade to that Pro account. Another really great tip that I use all the time when I'm designing things is the Canva mood boards. So these sort of can guide you as a non-graphic designer. I am not a graphic designer either, to come up with color combinations and other design elements, images, patterns that are cohesive. So these have been selected by graphic designers that said, yep, these 3 colors and these 2 fonts and this pattern all go together. So you can know without a doubt, if you select the things in that mood board to design your piece, it's going to be attractive when you're done because everything matches. So here's an example of a mood board on Canva. So you can see it's got some different colors that all go together right here. It's got fonts that they're recommending to go together. It has these graphic choices, so you could just put your brand name in there. Mood boards are definitely a great way for you to quickly improve a design. The next tip that I want to give you, a lot of people are not aware that Canva has some really great frames. So these sort of automatically crop an image that you drag and drop into them. One really fun thing that they've got is these letter frames. So you can see they have all the letters of the alphabet. So let's take a quick look. I'll show you where to find that in Canva so that you can use this in your own products. Okay, so here we are in a new design in Canva. All I would do to find those frames is to navigate to the Elements section. Then I have the ability to type frames here in the top, or I could just go ahead and scroll down and you'll see there's a whole section of frames here. So I can scroll through this way, or I can say that I'd like to see them all. And here I've gotten to the letter ones. So if I wanted to do the letter A, and I can definitely do more than one letter. I can change the size of them. I can rotate them. And then I'll just grab a photo here so that you can see kind of how it auto crops. So let's say I liked that photo and I can just stick it right in there and it's become an A. All right, the next tip that I want to show you that can make things go so much more quickly in your content creation process is how to copy one design to make new designs. So just like in any program, Word, PowerPoint, any sort of program, they have the ability for you to Control-C to copy an element and Control-V to paste it. You can also right click. You'll see here I was right clicking and I can copy and paste from that menu as well. So here I am back with my A design. I can go ahead and copy this way and paste. You'll need to allow Canva to do that, and then you'll see that I have a second A. You also have the option to duplicate a page. So if you have, you also have the option to duplicate a page. So if you have, for example, a template that you love, it's like the first page in a journal, and then you want to have that same first page, say every day that month, you don't have to make the page again and again. You can just click duplicate page and you'll have a page duplicate there. It's identical. All right, hopefully those 4 tips gave you some ideas of how you can streamline your content creation process to make everything a little bit faster and easier. I've got a ton more tips in my Easy Implementation Canva Success. It is a must for any creator or designer, no matter what kind of products you're using. It comes with everything you need to master all the skills to be a Canva pro. You'll be able to create best-selling products, gorgeous templates, marketing materials, social media, ads. It's all there. It's got step-by-step video training, Canva checklists, online graphic resource. It's perfect for people who want to create and sell printable products using Canva, people who want to learn the pro secrets to become a Canva master, and more. Check out Easy Implementation Canva Success on my website, succeedwithcontent.com.